Hey guys, are you looking for a new eyeshadow look? Then this video is going to be a great one for you because I used all the beautiful colors outside on the trees as my inspiration for today. So make sure if you like the video that you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss any videos with me. Thanks guys! Alright guys, to start off this look, I'm using my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. These are all of the colors that come in it. They're gorgeous. If these pinks and oranges kind of intimidate you if you're not used to wearing those colors, they blend out so pretty that they're not even as intense as they're showing here. So I really do recommend this palette to anybody. I'm going to be starting off with these transition colors right here. As you can see, there are a lot of like browns and kind of orangey colors. So I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush. Now any fluffy brush will do. I'll be starting off with this really pretty raw sienna color. It's like this light brown. I'm going to tap off the excess powder here. And when I do my transition colors, I'm going to go in circular motions in the outer corner here. And then I'm going to do windshield wiper motions. Gonna keep doing that same motion until I feel like everything is blended out, which I'm liking how it's starting so far. Again, I'm taking that same color, raw sienna, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye here. Just blending everything out till it's all smooth and there's no harsh lines here. Alright, so now I'm gonna gradually go up in color just to make the makeup look more dramatic. I'm going to take this burnt orange color, again tapping off the excess, and I'm going to pat it on my outer corner, then move it up my crease just like this. And then I'm going to blend it out by doing circular motions. Gorgeous. I love how those two are blending so far. I'm going to take burnt orange again. I'm going to pat it on the outer corner and just work my way up here. And then doing circular motions just to blend it all together. What I'm going to be doing is taking this red ochre color, which is kind of like the color of my shirt here. It's like this pretty reddish maroon color. I'm lightly going in it because it's pretty pigmented. Tapping off the excess, and I'm just gonna pat this in my outer corner right here. And only go up a little bit. I'm not going all the way up the crease like I was with the other colors. So I'm just focusing on my outer corner here. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. If you want to blend it out more, just keep doing those circular motions I was talking about, and then you'll gradually blend the color out a little bit more. Again, taking my red ochre and doing the same thing with the other eye. Focusing on the outer corner here. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm going to apply a dot on each side of my eye here, and this is to put the main color on my eyelid. This is going to help the pigment be really bright and shiny, and it's also going to help it stay on my lid. For the gold color I'm using on my lid, it is by L'Oreal Infallible. It is in the shade Amber Rush here. This is one of the prettiest eyeshadows I have ever got. I love it, and you can see it's almost gone already. It's like this gorgeous rose gold color. I'm going to swatch for you guys on the back of my hand here. Super pigmented, and I feel like it's very flattering on any eye color. So I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna just apply this to my eyelid here. So now that I've done that, I'm gonna take a smaller, more defined, fluffy brush like this, and I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, which is this dark brown color right here. Tap off the excess, and I'm gonna just pat this in the outer corner of my eye. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that one more time just to really build up that color and make sure it's all blended nicely. Okay, now that I like the color on there, I'm just gonna take my previous fluffy brush and I'm just lightly gonna go over the brown color with windshield wiper motions. And this is, again, just gonna help blend everything out so there's no harsh lines. So now it is time for eyeliner. I'm gonna be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills black eyeliner. This is in the shade Dark Side. And all I do with eyeliner, whether it is gel eyeliner, powder eyeliner, I just focus it in the outer corner along my lash line. This just helps make my lash line appear thicker for when I put mascara on. I don't go all the way in, I just focus it on the outer corner here. For the mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I love this mascara, I think it's really great. It's one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, and you've probably seen it on my other videos. Go in with Raw Sienna, which is this orange color here. Lightly gonna go in on the bottom with this color. And again, I'm just gonna build it up like I did with my eyeshadow up on my top lid. So I'm gonna go in with this raw ochre color. Just focus that on the outer corner of my eye and slowly work my way in. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking a more defined eyeshadow brush, and it looks just like this. It's angled. I'm going to go in with this brown color here. Tap off the excess and just focus on the outer corner here. Okay, so I like how that looks. I'm gonna go in with that fluffy flat brush again, just to blend out all of the colors here. Okay, perfect. So one of the last steps I'm going to be doing is taking my Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe. This is a great palette. You can see how many colors it has in it. Even if you don't use these colors down at the bottom, they've got a lot of great colors in there to use for every day. So I'm going to take a small eyeshadow brush that looks like this. I'm going to go in with this top color right here and apply that to my inner corner. I use this technique for everyday look because it makes your eyes look more awake and more bright. Alright, perfect. So the last step I'm going to be doing is applying mascara to the bottom part of my eye. Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and all the beautiful colors that are outside on the trees now you can have on your eyelids. But if you did like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below and the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos with me. And if you're wondering where I got my products, I will leave them down in the description box below so you guys can check them out. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for tuning in.